my name is Achan. Today I am going to teach you how to make a pen web shooter. In my last video I taught you how to shoot a pen web shooter. So in this video I am going to tell you how to make the pen shooter. In my first web shooter video I used the sketch pen cap. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make a in this video I have made the web shooter by the pen cap. So let's start. It's very simple also, so let's start. So for that you will need a spring, a pen cap, a cardboard type of piece, tape and thread, and one color pen. A color pencil. Yeah. So you can't see the spring. No, it is inside this. Now can you see? I can't take it out because it is stuck inside. When I made this web shooter by my own, I was doing like this. Then it was white. See, it will shoot right now also. The web is not there. Yeah. So first take the pen cap, put the spring inside, take the help of this color pencil and just take the corner part and put inside, then do like this. With that it will get stuck. Mine's already stuck. That's why for showing you how to make it stuck. It will now get stuck. See? It didn't came out right now also. So now take this part and then wear it like this. Just wear it. I will show you what we have to do by wearing it. And then take a pen. I'm going to bring the pen. So I bought the pen. Now see, when you are wearing the web shooter, what is coming? Give the cross. Wait a minute. It's like this. See, here it is. Then put the cross sign here. I'm putting the cross sign. One. Any mark you can write. You can do a tick or cross or anything. With that you will know that where you have to put. It get easier. See, I have put the cross sign. Now take this pen cap and wherever you have put the cross sign, put it here. Take one tape. Take the tape and then stick it. This I put it here, and where this is I'm sticking it like this. Okay, done like this. See, now the web shooter is in the correct side where you have put it. Stick it very properly. So now we have sticked it. Now again wear it. And then put the tape here also for locking your this thing. See, Now you can put it like this and the nut gets locked. Now not open also. So for taking out, you can take out this tape and then take it out. Done. Now again take it out. No need to put the tape because I'll tell you at the end. This is a use of this tape. Now take the thread. Can you see the thread? Take a very big thread. A big thread. Wait a minute. Properly. Now it's done. Take any part of this thread. Thread here. Take this pencil, this color pencil, and then put it here. And then you have to just put the tape here. I'm putting the tape here. And then done. Okay. Now there should be one more thing. Take this part and then wherever you have put this thing, put under this. No, before that you have to put this thread is left. Put the tape in this thread and then put it here. Under this. Under this. Okay. Done. No need of this pen. And I'm putting it properly. It should not come out now. That will not come out. Now your web shooter is ready. Now we'll just try it. By just wearing it. The web shooter. I'm putting the pointy part in this side. Shooter and then it's fallen down. And again this didn't work. It's very fun also to hit it. I feel like doing one more time. See, it's not working well. As I have to be little bit careful. Where are you putting? See, again it's not working. I'll make my web shooter fine. But you will be working. That's why don't worry. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it and give a like. Till that time, thank you.